What's up, guys? Justin at Ford Patriot fan here. Here I am at Salem with a friend, and I'm in a different one because the other one could not come. Here comes 1631 with train 154. Horn show. Jesus. I was not even expecting to get a horn show from that area. Plus my ears, I got my ears like, oh shit. Don't even do it, bro. What the shit's he doing? I don't see the door though. See, you've got some screws missing up there. 623. Oh, there he goes. Here goes train 154 off to North Station. Station on train 154. Wonder why he was in a hurry. Anyway, see you guys in the future in another video.